our first sign of spring, and it is so exciting. Spring is near. Good morning, forest friends. We are at a super cool spot where there are some fun surprises. There is a wooden snake, wooden mushrooms, and some musical instruments and some other fun surprises. So come check it out. Check this guy out. We like to say it's scenes of Thunderstorm. Right after we got scenes that we came here for the first time, and whoosh, there she was. We also got some fun wooden mushrooms here. Check that out, so cute. And some wooden instruments there with a little stage. You guys, this is just the coolest spot. I think we're gonna start coming here more often. You just shocked yourself.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna climb.
Sit on down, go slide down. I don't need to do it with you. Do you need help? Why don't you sit down? Who's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go see the house for five.
Yeah.
No, that was too bad.
Nico, are you inside a little house? Wow. The reeds are blowing out the window. Check out this super cool tunnel. We're about to walk through it, and it's going over the water. Look, you can see the water reflecting on the sides of the bridge in the tunnel. Ooh. Ooh, you can see the water underneath. Look at it, it's just shimmering off the wood there. But it's so cool. Does it smell a little stuffy in here?
My mama didn't know there was somebody pissing.
Look, there's more poop. We got lots of horses walking through here. Pretty cool. And we're on the other side, and we're about to go on the orange trail. We're at the orange trail, and we're gonna walk. I don't know if we'll do the whole thing. It's pretty chilly out, but it feels super good to be outside as usual. Ooh, wow, look at these. Something we don't have on our scavenger hunt
What?
for animal tracks. Look at that. What do you think that is?
What?
Right there.
This?
Yep.
I don't know.
It's right here. It's a horseshoe. Look, you can see them a lot better over here.
Right here.
Yeah. We found this really cool spot to throw some rocks.
And it's
Let's show us how-
spot.
Show us your throw. Nice splash. What are you digging?
Dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur bones.
Fossil.
Cool. Seems like a good spot. So we're just skipping on the rocky trail here. Because the ground is lava. Good catch. Now where? Ooh, we're digging over here into the leaves. Drawing in the sand over here. We've got the sound of the water. A lovely day here.
I'm bombing.
You're drawing and digging in the sand?
Yep.
Cool. Nice job. So as you guys can see, we are nearing spring. We had some purple blossoms, but we've still got icicles and frozen ponds, but super cool bridges and sunshine. You were smelling? It's probably a goose poo. Ew. Somebody show me a mushroom. Show me the mushrooms. Where are they?
That's a mushroom.
Yeah, how many do you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mushrooms. And we're on the stage. It's kind of like a giant wind chime. They're grippy.
Yeah, them can hold on to.
Got grippy boots. Okay, go ahead, give it a try. Wow. Ooh. You gotta use your arms. You gotta pull yourself up. You can do it. Hold on, Neeks. I'll help you in just a minute. Let's watch and see if your brother can do it all on his own. You can do it, Isaac. Wow. I know, you're feeling like you need to do it too. Oh, you found a bouncy branch? Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Wow. Go a little gentle. It looks like it's getting kind of old. What a treat. Look at all these horse riders. So cool. Come on, Isaac, you can get up. Do it. You got it. Don't forget to get dirty and play every day.